Hey everybody, it's Cameron. Last few videos we've been working on how to pick out a couple tunes by ear and then put some chords to them. We did Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and then did with inversions, and today we're going to do Happy Birthday with chord inversions, which should make it a lot more easy and fun for you to play. So let's get right to it. As you may recall, we had our tune. Okay, and we figured that out by ear, which was a lot of fun. And then we used our three primary chords that we learned: C, F, and G. C, F, and G. And we learned how to, again using our ears, we learned how to play the song with the chords, and it went something like this. Yeah, fun, right? But this is clunky. We're picking up our left hand and jumping around a lot. So if we use chord inversions, which is just keeping the same notes of the chords and just rearranging them a little bit. So our first chord, our primary chord, because since we're in the key of C, is C, so we can go ahead and play that in root position, which just means the note name of the chord is on the bottom, and we build the chord up like this. Okay, and then we have our F chord, which in this case we can keep our C on the bottom. We call that a common tone, and we must move our F and A up to here. So now we still have the same three notes of the F chord, F, A, C, but it's so much easier to play from C to F to C. We don't have to pick up our hand or get lost or do anything. So much easier and so much more fun. Same applies to G. We have a common tone, G, that we can anchor there, and we have to just move our B and our D down here. So we still have a G chord, G, B, D, and we can get to that easily too. So all three chords now are right there under our fingers: C, F, C, G, C. Okay, so if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to do a slow playthrough that you can put on loop on YouTube, and even slow it down or speed it up, and we'll talk about that in a second. But here we go, demonstration of playing Happy Birthday with chord inversions. Fun, right? Okay, that's it. If you're finding this content helpful, if you boop that like button, that'd be great. And if you would like more of these videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. Alright, so now we're off to the races. I'm going to just do a slow motion playthrough without saying anything that you can watch and rewatch. And you can, if you go to your YouTube settings, there's a place where you can select playback speed. So you can play back at 75%, 50%, or 25%. 25% doesn't usually work out too well. But you can do either of those things. Alright, so here we go with the slow motion playthrough. Okay, one more time, a little slower. Alright, that's it. Have fun with it. Cameron out for now. Bye-bye.